Hi there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on OpenAI text-to-text response, where the user gives one text and it's converted into another text by the OpenAI. This can be completely dynamic. You can ask him whatever you want, and he will give you the response. So for this, the basic OpenAI setup with authorization and header, and this completion, chat completion API call post with JSON type as action, body type JSON, and this body here. We can make this by the OpenAI as well. So let's ask it. After that, OpenAI API and takes. Okay, currently it's taking words, so I will use word and gives a response in form of else. Okay, so after this, it will generate the JSON like this and with the full every detail. But what I will need is just the JSON part for the API connector. And this is what we have, and it takes the word and gives us a response. I will copy it and paste it here, automatically adjusted. It's GPT-5, so this will not work. We have GPT 4.0 and GPT 4 mini. So I'll have to tell him to update this GPT-5. Okay, so the prompt is updated. Let's just copy it and paste it here and reinitialize the call. Currently, I have this hello text, and for hello, it's responding me with hello, how are you today? And I will use this in the workflow on the page where it takes the input from the user and click on generate. It saves it somewhere in the state, and that state is displayed on the screen. So I have this input right here in front of me, and if I click on generate, it takes OpenAI word to sentence call and uses the input as value, and its response is then saved like result of step 1 choices, first item, message, content in the state on the page. We can save it in the database or somewhere we want, and after this whole workflow it gives us the response. So let's just wait. Okay, now let's just ask it for a sentence on awesome. I've written the word awesome, and the view from the mountain was absolutely awesome. Let's ask it for generate, and it will generate something like this is software can generate reports. Let's ask for reports and enter, and the team submitted their reports to the manager for the review. So this is how we can use text-to-text response with OpenAI with API connector in bubble.io apps. And this is how we can set up the whole workflows. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.